Hello everyone, in the previous video we were checking how to create a snake, and then we were checking how to implement this corner from the snake. So to do so, we checked the direction of the snake, the direction it comes from and it goes to, and we are going to check if if an horizontal direction changed to vertical or it was different. So for example, here the direction is horizontal, is different to direction is to the new direction is horizontal. We are in a corner, we are turning in a specific direction, and otherwise we have the normal type. Here now, as you can see, we are not rendering it. Why is here rendering ahead? Here we should render this tile 0, 1, 2, 3, the tile 3. And this is rendering ahead. Why? Is head I don't know why it's rendering. Let's ignore this. So head should only happen. Maybe this is because we are not cleaning up. I'm not setting it. So we were not cleaning up the previous snake, so that was expected. Okay, so here it is working when from the right to the bottom, but it's not correct for other cases. So for example, let's going to check if we are going to the right, we can come from, so we are going to check both the direction, the previous direction, and the next direction. So for example, when we are coming, let's use this pattern. So when we are coming from down and moving to the right, direction is snake direction down, and we are going to the right. We are going to what is failing here? Tile. And this was an error, I don't know why. Okay, so in this case we have to turn twice, I guess. Right 2 times. So yeah, so this is this case. Now we have this one, that is, we're coming from the left to the right, we are coming from here would be right, and we are going up. So is this case, and for this we are going to rotate it once, I guess. Yes. And now when we are coming from down, this was, we are coming from down and moving to the right. It was this case. No, it was up and right. We are moving from up to right. Here we have to, or flip it horizontally, flip in the index. Okay, so now we have this and this. And now we have two more. That is, now we have we are coming from down to right. Down to right. Down to right. That it's the rotated bias, I guess. Yes. And now we have down to left. Down to left. That is going to be rotated to the left. Rotated to the left. Without rotations. Rotated to the right. Rotated to the right. Now we have another scenario where it's not working, and that is when we come the right from the left and then up, left up. This left up, left up, left up. It should be left up. It should be rotated twice. Now we have left to down. Left to down is not working properly. Left to down should be left to down. We are going to rotate it to the left, or flipped X. That is, it should be the same. So it's this case. This case, this case, and this case, and the rest. So those, we have four different combinations for the case of the snake, and it is this one. So of course these ones are not expected. We cannot turn the snake to its own direction. So it should be fine. Now it would be nice if instead of replacing the tile, we are using the stack to set the snake. So let's do that. Instead of setting here, we are going to generate the tile, and we are going to assign final tile. We are going to assign the final tile here. And now, instead of setting the tile, we are going to use the method to push the tile. X, point Y, and push like this. Now the problem is that every time we are rendering, we are pushing tiles of the whole snake, and we don't want that. We want to clear the previous snake before rendering the new one. So let's create a new method that is going to be clear, and it's going to reset the snake points. So like this, we are going to set to an invalid tile, and we are going to reset the previous immutable snake, like this, but we should clear to an invalid tile here. Now we have both. We can overlap the snake, and yeah, that's what we wanted. In the final game we won't be able to do this, but it's nice because depending on the kind of game, we could want to do this. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video we are going to get rid of this nasty artifact. So see you in the next video.